Okay, I've been getting a lot of messages recently about how many of you are feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. There's a lot going on in the world right now. We're watching suffering happen in real time. Thousands of people are being killed. And for many of us, our bodies are going into shock. It's going into survival mode. And this is normal. The horrific images coming out of Palestine might make you feel numb. It might make you feel helpless. And it might even make you feel guilty for living your own life. So let's do some EFT tapping around this. I understand that you're angry, you are disappointed, confused, maybe you're frustrated, and all of those emotions are completely valid. Anger is a powerful emotion for change. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with feeling angry, but sometimes intense anger makes us react and it creates a lack of clarity. So by tapping on these emotions, we can transmute that heaviness into something more grounded. Again, this is not to say that you cannot feel angry about what's happening, especially if you have families in Israel and Palestine both. But let's send healing and love to everybody that needs it right now in the Middle East and beyond. Whenever you're ready, I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Settle into your body. And let's take another deep breath in through your nose and fill up your lungs this time. Beautiful. And release through the mouth. Just feel yourself coming into your body right now. And whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. And let's begin tapping on the side of the hand, just right here. There's so much going on in the world right now. So much hatred, so much anger, inequality, injustice. And I feel all of this in my body. I feel helpless. How can I just sit back and watch this happen? This is not normal. People are dying. Children are dying. And I'm just supposed to live life like nothing is happening? Life is so unfair. Even though I feel all this anger and guilt in my body, I'm learning to accept where I am. And I'm open to possibly loving and forgiving myself too. Okay, now we're going to move on to the eyebrow point. There's so much suffering in the world. So much anger. So many people dying. I feel guilty. I feel helpless. It's so overwhelming. All this suffering and pain. It might not be happening anywhere near me, but I'm still feeling the weight of it. All the images and videos I've been seeing, they're all over social media, and they're so disturbing. I acknowledge all these feelings, all of the frustration, the helplessness, all this injustice and pain. I feel so small. I feel like my voice doesn't matter. There's nothing I can do to make a change. I believe in a better world, though. But what can I do to contribute to that? It seems even all the money in the world cannot end this suffering. Okay, we're gonna just take a break here. Let's take a deep breath in. We're gonna squeeze your wrist just like this, right here. Squeeze your wrist. And we're gonna think of the word peace. And just notice how you're feeling right now. Do you feel more anxious than before you started tapping? That's okay, that's normal, because that's what tapping does. It brings up all of your emotions to the surface. But just notice what's coming up in your body. Don't forget to take deep breaths. And when you're ready, let's go back to tapping, starting at the eyebrow point. What if I can contribute peace in my own way? I know anger is a valid emotion. I've been feeling it a lot and for a long time. But maybe right now, I can choose to believe in the power of collective compassion. What if we can all get together and open ourselves up to hope and understanding? I'm a part of this collective human family. And I play a critical role in healing the world. Change starts from within us. And it starts when we believe that good exists. So I choose to believe there are still good people out there. I choose to embrace hope in this moment. I know the world is in pain. I feel it in my own body. And I choose to send out love to myself and to the millions of people that need it right now. I send love to those suffering and scared. I send healing energy to every soul that's hurting. I know that love is a powerful force for healing. We cannot fight fire with more fire. So I'm choosing to embody love in this moment. I believe in the resilience of the human spirit. I dream of a future where there are no wars, where every single children is safe to play, safe to exist, where every single person is living in harmony. I continue to hold this vision in my heart, this vision of peace and love. I'm choosing to believe that I can make a difference. My voice matters. My contribution matters. Sometimes change doesn't happen all at once. It happens in small steps. And that is what I'm prioritizing right now. All right, deep breath in, close your eyes. And just notice how you're feeling now after the tapping. If you still feel the anger, the intensity of the emotions, that's totally fine. It's totally normal. You can just do the tapping again. And just be gentle with yourself. Be kind to yourself. And I know that these are really tough times. And the fact that we are seeing these images, these videos, and we're getting the news in real time is frightening. If you want me to create another tapping video around this topic for a specific issue or emotion that you're feeling, just leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you need and how I can support you during this time. Let me know how this tapping made you feel, and I will see you next time. Follow for more.